guys, I'm Nicholas live here with professional traders John and David for the third trade of the day. We have lots of stuff for you guys today, and you may see we don't make videos often because if there is an opportunity, it's better not to risk anything at all and wait for the perfect one like this. Right now we're looking at Bitcoin Cash, which is the most controversial and the biggest fork of Bitcoin. And what are we looking at? We're looking at USD evaluation. When is our entry? How safe is this trade, John?
Thanks, Nicholas. Okay, guys, we've got a good setup here. And the reason we're bringing this trade to you after our prior broadcast with the other couple trades is momentum. We're seeing good moves up in the market, and that's the time to be looking around for things that are outperforming. They have good patterns, good setups, and are safe. You can, get out if something goes wrong very quickly with low risk. That's what Bitcoin Cash is offering. We have, and you can check the shorter time frame charts if you want to kind of learn more about pattern analysis. We're on the daily chart to make this easy, but you look at an hour chart or 30-minute chart, there's a bearish pattern here that broke down, everybody's bailing out, but then the next day it reversed. So it went inside the prior day. That's called a reversal, and now we've got follow through. And that is definitely a bullish sign, and we're seeing the rest of the market moving up. Bitcoin Cash is moving up even more. That's a good reason to try a trade. So let me turn it over to David. He'll show you the tight setup we've got, and we're going to ride the momentum. We're calling it a momentum trade, and hopefully just add to a successful day of trading if everything goes the way it looks like it might go. David, over to you.
Thanks, John. Yeah, we're going to have a pretty tight stop on this one. So our entry is right here. We just got filled, actually, is at 1,025 and 1 cent. And we're going to put a stop on this one down at the 965 range, which is going to be a little bit less than 6%. We're going full size on our trade. If you're dictate something different based on a 6% risk, then please change your size. The target we have on this is up at 1145. So it actually worked out to a good, by nature, 2-to-1 risk to reward, which we're happy with. And we really like, again, having a relatively tight stop on this one to stay in the game if we're wrong. John, back to you.
Okay, let's talk about our trade secret, and then we'll turn over to Nicholas. We're going to tell you what P.I.G's all about. A new signal we've developed that we think will help traders. We think it helps it's something we use a lot, so we'll share it all with you. What we're looking at here that got us excited about this trade is the understanding of reversal patterns. So you're always wanting to look when things move in a big way. You see this long candle wick here and it ended up green on a day that was way down, and then goes higher and reverses. So we know from years of studying patterns what that might mean looking forward. And within a week, you usually see a good reversal after a pattern like that. There's more to the story. That's part of our education process. But just a starting point, start looking for reversal patterns. Day 6 is the last day you usually see a move. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Big move, volume spiking up, going to probably be higher than yesterday. Another reason that we're getting on here and sharing this trade with you. The signs are lining up. No guarantees. That's what we use to stop. And that's why we also always consider P.I.G. Nicholas, why don't you talk about it for a minute?
And P.I.G is a very simple concept. We always want to make sure you're not a P.I.G trader because P.I.G essentially is poof, it's gone. If you don't respect your stop losses, it can just be gone. It can drop down. The price can plummet, and that's why you got to respect your stop losses. Don't have emotions. You may love Bitcoin Cash, you may hate it. That doesn't matter. It's a good trade right now. You should take the risk, but you should be happy if it goes down slightly, you lose 4%, be happy, cut your losses, and just don't let it become a poof, it's gone, and drop like another 20% and become a big loss. So it's all about being a smart trader, being a very safe one, and not an emotional one. Make sure you guys do subscribe. We will cover a lot more of these very specific concepts, and we will talk about our upcoming subscription-based learning and a course essentially, which we're putting together as John and David are professional traders, and as me, I represent pretty much a new breed of traders, and I want to ask them some questions myself so you guys can understand it better in more clear English terms for you guys who are not into trading, don't understand patterns, and want to get really good at it. So You guys should leave any comments if you see any other potential amazing trades we should look at, because today is just full of good trades and you guys need to be on your toes looking out. See you guys later.